Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. You may recall I recently did an experiment where I took some scraps of sheet metal and shot them with different calibers to see what would penetrate and whether sheet metal might be useful in creating improvised body armor. Well, today we're going to do a similar test using sheets of wood. Specifically, this is Wafer board, otherwise known as OSB, sometimes incorrectly called plywood. But in any case, this is the prevailing material used in construction of exterior walls for American homes. Frankly, I don't think this is going to fare very well against gunfire, but I've seen a lot of other people on YouTube recommending books for improvised body armor. And, this is compressed wood fibers, so mechanically it's probably going to have very similar properties to a good thick textbook. So I guess we'll see what happens. Anyway, I've got a stack of 5 sheets here. Each one is somewhere between 3/8 and ½ an inch thick. They're the standard thickness for exterior walls. So once again, I'm going to start by shooting it with a 9mm. As I said in my previous episode, I think this is pretty representative of the lower half of the power spectrum of handgun calibers. So it's a good thing to start with. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, the wafer board is fibrous enough that the holes are sort of self-healing, but the 9mm bullets went right through that whole stack. And if that thickness of material is not capable of stopping even a 9mm bullet, then I think it's safe to say that this material is not a good thing to make body armor out of. Moreover, remember that the walls in your house are probably just one layer of this on the outside, and then drywall on the inside, and probably some kind of siding or other weatherproofing on the outside. So if this doesn't stop a bullet, I wouldn't rely on the walls of your house to stop a bullet either. So short test, but still some useful conclusions. Anyway, until next time, thank you for watching the Idahoan Show.